In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade to Peacock Premium. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Peacock account on the website or app. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account. Step 2. Change Plan. In the subscription section, click on Change Plan. You will see options for Premium and Premium Plus. Select your preferred plan. Step 3. Enter your payment details. Enter your payment details. This can be credit card or PayPal. Confirm your subscription upgrade. Your account will be updated immediately. Now, what will you get with Premium? You will get full access to Peacock's library of shows, movies, and exclusive content. You will get fewer ads with Premium or no ads at all with Premium Plus. Live sports and next day access to NBC shows. That's it. Thank you for watching. That's how you upgrade to Premium. Subscribe.